Yo, I love this close-up, man. Okay, so first things first, I want to tell you all about Ascend Wood. This is a beautiful Christian-based brand that brings you Christian apparel that you can wear and help share your faith, share the gospel, initiate conversation, and I think it's just a great way to advertise that I am a child of God. So first of all, they sent me this Love Your Neighbor, Love Thy Neighbor, King James version probably, Love Thy Neighbor t-shirt, and it is so comfortable. I love the fit, and this design is just so cute and simple. They also sent me this 4-pearl necklace. I love this also because it's very minimalistic and simple. And then they also sent me 3 bracelets and 3 hair ties. Okay, so the bracelets first. We have one that says, "To God be the glory," and then 2 that say, "God is bigger than the highs and lows." And the colors go really well together, and they're reversible. This black one reverses, and then now we have these leaves on the bracelet, which I think are really cute. And when you reverse the green one, we have pineapples. Cute, simple pink, orange, and green ones. And then when we reverse this white one, what we get are some arrows and some pretty cool lines. So next we have our hair ties. So our first one is one with the cute white crosses on it. And then next we have a white one that says "Faith Over Fear." I really like this one. It also has their little brand right there. And then lastly we have a hair tie that has Philippians 4:13 on it. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. But it's the tie kind of covers a couple of the words. So right now all I have is all things, do all things through. But we know what it means. But yeah, I have a couple first reaction videos that I'm going to put in right now. All right, this is my first initial reaction to my package from Ascend Wood. So excited to see what is in this bundle that they sent me. Okay, we're gonna pull this card out first. It's their little thank you card. So cute. Okay, this is our why. This is what we do, for the good of others and the glory of God. I love that so much. And then 1 Corinthians 10:31. Whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. Man, love that verse. I'll read this in a little bit. Okay, let's pull out the big item first. Oh, whoa, it's all wrapped in there. Okay, so we got this t-shirt. Love Thy Neighbor. It's a black t-shirt. I'm already in love with it. Oh my goodness, so cute. I highly encourage you to go check out Ascend Wood for yourself. Maybe even purchase something, because I think this is a great mission to support, because this apparel helps you share your faith, share the gospel, start conversations about Jesus, and it's supporting a business who supports that too. So if you want to go check them out, the link to Ascend Wood's website will be in my description below, and I hope you will go check them out for yourself. It is math time. And I have a little friend. It's a little creepy, but he's kind of cute. Alright, it is a little while later. My math took a big chunk out of my day, but that's okay because I didn't have a ton more school. I think all I have to do is listen to an audiobook now and I'm done with school for the day, and then I have church tonight and it is a fun night, so that should be fun. But anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit about how it is so important to be there for your friends that are seeking God and questioning. Just this past week at youth, I met 2 people that raised their hands to accept Christ or find out more about Christ, ask more questions about Christ, just saying that they want to learn more and that they're interested in Jesus. And so I got to talk to both of them, and I've been a Christian for so long, sometimes I forget how dark it is when you don't have answers, you know, about the purpose of life or why are things going so bad. Because with Jesus, I know what my purpose is. I know that he has a plan and that he's using what's going on in my life for good. But when you're in the dark, it's pretty hard, and sometimes I have to take myself out of it and say, wow, they're struggling right now. And that's why it's important to be there for your friends who are either new Christians or not even Christians, because everybody has questions, everybody has stuff that they wonder about and need to learn more about. And especially, I found just what I've been learning this past week, that sometimes people can be angry at God, and sometimes people can disrespect God, and it's easy to want to say, oh, I don't want to hang around them because they're disrespecting my Father, they're disrespecting my God, I don't want to be around that. But they know there's a God. I mean, one of my friends who's not, well, I can't speak for their heart, but I know they're questioning, and they asked me to pray for them. So I know they know there is a God, and that's hope right there. God is hope, and God's not going to leave someone who's seeking him. So that's why it's important as God's disciples to be there for those people in those moments, in those hours of darkness and pain, and reassure them by the grace of God that he's there, he's not going to leave them, and he's going to work everything for good. One of my favorite Bible verses is Ecclesiastes 3:11, and it just talks about God working everything beautifully in his time, not our time. We're not always going to know what he's ordained for us. It's going to come in time when he decides to show us his will. So for those people in your life that don't know the scriptures, don't know the incredible power of God, it is so important to be there for them, to give them scriptural truths, to give them godly advice, to be a friend to them. Even if you need to sit in silence while they vent and say why they're angry, just listen and relate the best you can, because I don't know about you, but I love when people relate to me. It makes me feel so much better. It makes me feel so not alone. So when you get down on their level, then you can help pick them up again and encourage them just to trust the Father. And there's the reason I think there's sin and bad stuff in this life is so we can rely on God. Because if everything was perfect and fine, why would we need to rely on him? That's just the truth. So be sure to encourage a friend this week, especially those who are seeking and searching and questioning, and just be there for them. All right, now since I have about 2.5 hours until church, I'm going to make a bracelet. I've gotten several requests on my Pinterest asking how to make bracelets. This one's a super simple one, but since I don't really do that kind of DIY stuff on my channel, I decided I would just kind of fit it in right here. And also I need to make a bracelet for someone, so you get to watch. Okay, I finished the bracelet. This is how it turned out. Also, I had a little bit more of my audiobook to read, so I started finishing another bracelet that I had already started. And this one is literally so cute. I love the colors and the hearts. This one was so fun to make. And then I made another one. This one's a lot simpler. It's just a braid. But then I have 2 ties on the end where you could tie it like that. And this is a little package that I'm going to be sending to a friend. This is another bracelet that I finished. It's like summery colors. So it's going to be this one, and this one together. I think those are cute. We're going to be packaging that up right now. Okay, so I have my bubble mailer, and then I have kind of a pile of goodies that I'm gonna put in here because this is one of my close friends. I kind of want to spoil her, so we're gonna do that. I have the 4 bracelets, some stickers, some makeup, some croc gibbets. Hopefully she likes it, so we are going to package it up right now. Alright, I have everything packaged. I have an Ascend wood bracelet for her and her croc charms. I had a couple of. And then a bracelet and a sticker, a bracelet and a sticker, a bracelet and a sticker. Here's a little inspirational card. And I actually just got this in my Birchbox and I thought I would share it with her. These are the Aceology Hydro Glow and Deep Hydration Watermelon Eye Mask. So that's all gonna go in here, and then we are going to get it addressed and decorated, of course. Okay, so I weighed the package and it was 1.4 ounces, and I'm pretty sure it's a stamp per ounce, but we're gonna stay safe and do 3 or 4 stamps just to make sure it gets there. All done. Guys, I had such a fun day getting to film this vlog and getting to spend this time with you guys. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for just kind of going along on this weekday, this school day. It is about time for me to get ready to head to youth group tonight, but just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Pinterest. Link will be in the description, and please subscribe, like, comment. I love to hear from you guys, and have an awesome day. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.